Sit upright. Both feet on the floor if you can. Hands in your lap. Back straight but not rigid. Close your eyes. Breathe in and out. This is the beginning of your day. Before anything else has happened. Before the phone has been checked or the demands have arrived. This moment is clean. What you do with the first minutes of your day sets the tone for what follows. You know this. You have felt the difference between a day that starts on your terms and one that starts in reaction to everything else. This is starting on your terms. Breathe in slowly and out. Let your body settle. Your shoulders are probably higher than they need to be. Let them drop. Your hands can open. Your face can soften. Notice any tension that arrived with you this morning. From sleep that was incomplete, or from a thought that started before you were fully awake. Acknowledge it and set it to the side. It will still be there if you need it. Right now you are doing something else. Breathe in and out. Most people begin the day in one of two ways. Either they drift into it, letting the first notification or the first thought or the first demand set the agenda. Or they decide. They choose, before the world makes its requests, who they intend to be. You are making that choice right now. Not a goal. Not a list. Not a performance target. A standard. One word, if you can. What is the quality you intend to bring to today? Focus. Patience. Honesty. Effort. Presence. Calm. Let one word come without overthinking it. Breathe in and out. Hold that word. Let it settle in your body, not just your mind. What does it feel like when you are actually that thing? Not when you are trying to be it. When you are it. That feeling is available to you right now. You have been that thing before. You can be it again today. Breathe in and out. The day ahead will try to pull you away from this. Small irritations. Things that go wrong. People who operate differently than you would like. Moments where the easier path is to react instead of respond. Those moments are coming. They always come. And in each of them, you will have a choice. A brief window between the thing that happens and what you do next. This meditation is widening that window. Breathe in slowly and out. You are not trying to control the day. You are deciding how you will meet it. There is a difference. Control is a fiction. How you meet things is entirely yours. Take one more full breath in and out. Let the word you chose settle in once more. Let it be your marker for the day. Not a demand. A reminder. When you are ready, open your eyes. The day is here. Meet it the way you decided.